going to demonstrate making my version of red curry paste. I like using red curry paste to make coconut broth for vermicelli noodle. In the Lao language, it is called kopun, or just make a curry soup or stir fry with the paste that I'm going to make. Curry paste comes in many variations and everybody makes to their own like, and so what I'm sharing here today, it is my version of it. So on my right here, I have two kinds of peppers. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of red bell peppers. In this demonstration, I am going to use bell pepper to make my paste because bell pepper, it is not spicy at all and children can eat. And when I cook to make soup or make any other soup dish, if I need my soup to be spicy, I can always add spiciness into the soup. So this version, I'm going to make it a non-spicy curry paste. Therefore, I'm using a red bell pepper. This is 2 cups. If you prefer your curry paste to have some spiciness, you certainly can use this kind of pepper. This is a mild to medium spicy, but the dry large pepper here, you need to soak them for a few hours, and then you can cut it up and make it equal portion of 2 cups for my recipe here. So my ingredients, 2 cups of red bell peppers, and then 1 cup shallots, 1 head garlic, 2 tablespoons galanga, 2 tablespoons lemongrass, 1 tablespoon, this is a cilantro stems, because I don't have any cilantro roots during the winter season. So 1 tablespoon cilantro stem. I like to use about 4 tablespoons paprika. The reason why I'm using paprika is to add the color red into my paste. Note that because I am using red bell pepper, this is going to be more watery. That's why I'm using 4 tablespoons paprika. However, if I am going to use this spicy pepper here, 2 cups of this spicy pepper, this is going to be less watery comparing to the bell pepper. Therefore, I'm just gonna use about 2 tablespoons of paprika if I'm using this kind of pepper. And then I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, and this is the brand of shrimp paste that I usually like to use. So the galanga, I needed to use a different processor. I usually use my NutriBullet to process the galanga and then add into the rest of the ingredients because this is harder, not as soft as the other ingredients. The salt, the cumin, this I will wait until I process the rest of the ingredients in the processor, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's add the paprika, the shrimp paste. As I said, the galanga is harder to process here. Therefore, I'm using my NutriBullet to process the galanga separately and then add it into the rest of the ingredients. So now I am adding the grind galanga into my food processor here. Perfect. Okay. Occasionally I wanted to remove the top and scoop down the rest of the ingredients from the top so that everything is processed consistently and finely together. Okay. And then cover it again. This is perfect. It's all done. Okay. Ooh, smells so good. Look at this. Non-spicy red curry paste. Whoa. Non-spicy. So let's move it into the bowl. Ooh. Looking very pretty and smells so good from all the different herbs. There it is, my non-spicy red curry paste that I'm going to be using to make vermicelli noodle broth for soup. Okay. The curry paste I made from the natural coconut milk looks very pretty. So pretty. Okay. Some people, when they cook a cookbone like this, they prefer having chicken feet in it as well. However, my children and spouse, they don't eat chicken feet, so I did not prepare any, and just making this to the like of my family. Wow, so pretty. Ooh. Okay. Let me have a taste to make sure all seasoning is good. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Ooh. So good. Wow, very delicious, very delicious. And not spicy because I use bell pepper. I use red bell pepper to make the paste, so it's not spicy at all. And when I eat with the noodle, I have a preference to add any spicy sauce into it. So pretty. Ooh.